Hello, my name is Dave Woodrum, and I'm here to unbox my first copies of my new book, On the Move, Restoring the Prophetic Voice of the Whole Church. This is entitled, Volume 1 is called, They Shall Prophesy. So sit back and just enjoy yourself as I open the box for the first time. Thank you. Good day. I'm here at Sweet Inspirations restaurant in Chehalis, Washington, and I've just got my first copy of my new book called On the Move, They Shall Prophesy. So I wanted to open it up here in the restaurant and just take a look at it, because this is the first time I've ever had a book with a completely colored interior. So hold on a minute as I try to make my way through here, and we'll take a look at it. I haven't seen what this looks like, so this is the first reveal. Okay, this is the first reveal. And so here you go. There's the book. Wow. Let me give one to my wife, Jan, because she's been looking forward to this too. So I open up the book, and I see the book has full color pictures throughout. And I was wondering about the quality of this, how they would turn out, and how it would look. So I can tell you right now that I'm really quite happy with it, just the few that I've seen. And I'm looking forward to getting this book into your hands today. Now you can order it on Amazon.com, or you can order it from Harvest of Jubilee Publishing. And it's one of the curriculum for the Harvest of Jubilee International Collegium of Biblical Studies. So it's a textbook. It's also the first of 3 in a series of a bachelor's, or no, not a bachelor's, or a diploma degree course on prophecy. I am praying and I'm trusting that God will use the contents of this book to begin a reformation and a restructuring among the prophetic apostolic movement and in much of the church around the world, as we bring correction and direction to the prophetic voice. This is called On the Move, Restoring the Prophetic Voice of the Whole Church. This is Volume 1, They Shall Prophesy. Thank you very much, and again, welcome. Well, I'm here today to give the very first copy of my new book, On the Move, Restoring the Prophetic Voice of the Whole Church, Volume 1, They Shall Prophesy, to a dear and precious friend of mine, Caleb Huffman. Caleb, come on in here. Caleb has been a friend of mine for, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years, yeah. And Caleb was a major part of the team that edited this book. And I was showing him all the pictures that are color. That's the first time I've done anything, Caleb, that's in full color. And I'm just stunned at the quality of some of the stuff. So, Caleb, I'm giving you my first copy. And thank you for helping me. Thank you for working with me.
Thank you
so much. Lord bless you.
I have one request.
Yes.
Will you sign it?
I will sign it, but I don't have a pen right now, so we'll have to do that a little bit later. Anyway, thank you very much. And this is intended to bring a reformation to a new generation of disciples of Jesus of Nazareth and his kingdom. May the Lord be glorified. Amen.